Yo yo, finally heading out. I actually got a pair of shoes I'm willing to drop by the aftermarket. Hopefully they give out a good price for it, and definitely meeting the Beyond the Hype crew finally after all these months. And quick check, outfit for the day, the Origins cap, staple hoodie, my daily drivers, the Dickies cargos, and of course, one of the best releases, I believe, this year, Lightning Force. Let's head out, let's head out. The next collab. I'm not gonna lie, this has got to be the most uncomfortable face shield I've ever got, man. This definitely looks better. Finally inside Promenade, Green Hills. Just waiting in for Seth and Ken to stop by. Mukhang makikita na kami. I'll probably drop this off at aftermarket a little later. Yeah, I'll check you in later. Ito na, malalaman nila yung height ko! Malalaman na nila yung height ko! Okay, height reveal, height reveal. Height reveal na ba? Height reveal?
Mabuha ka naman, kapag tumayo, masis ka naman eh.
Yan tayo eh, kaya tayo nagkatalo eh.
Oo nga eh.
Ay, ganda na ako, First meeting success.
What's up? Ay,
Nakatawa kami, doon pa lang kami, sabi ko, kita ka na namin, kahit nakaupo. Kita ko na ba yung taas ng cabinet, Papi? Let's see your fit, let's see your fit. What's the shirt at? Hey.
local pa rin.
Let's do it. And of course, Cozy Boys.
UNDS natin yung music natin.
We got them Okers right now. Hey,
That's what's up.
that's what's up.
It's extremely happy. Can you tell by my face?
Hey, sakto si Seth on air. Pwede na tayo makakita ng fit check, Seth? Fit check.
I'm wearing both Project 7 to 1 sa ito.
Project 7 to 1.
60 pesos na Shopee pants.
Hey, let's go! And of course, the OG Yeezy 700s. Wave Runners. Let's go, let's go. Oh man, look at all the cards. Mga autos. Oh! Man! Oh man! Ibi-blade ko to, naka-blade to. Pero unbox mamaya. Huge shoutout by the way kay Seth for getting me this one. Chinat niya ako late at night. Bro!
Uy, pinapanguhod ka gago.
Ito na hinihintay mo! Still! I think kay Sir Carlo today. Ay, tonight pala. But,
Yung price sa price ko, bibigyan.
pero grabe, all
SRT na lang na kasi niya sa akin. Diba?
oo, super. Size 13 nga lang. Fire Red Jordan 5.
Hindi ito yung kung sa'yo.
And of course, Project 71's apparel line right now. The Nuragi jacket by 71 and Sneak Attack. This is really dope though. And a lot more dope stuff. We even have some Kobe Protros here. Super, super clean colorway. Tons of NBA cards as well. To all the Kobe fans though, man. Check it out. Check that out. Remnant 10. Of course, my guy, Saffron Airs, box 86. We even have different rug designs. Sean Waterspoon, Kiss My Airs at black. And this was a new one. Kiss My Airs in purple or ano.
Nakita yung angle mo.
Rugs to Riches. Ay, tigilan niyo ako. Ang nga pala, yan yung kinukap niya sa'yo from Oak Street, di ba?
Nagsisisi nga ako.
Ah, talaga? Alam mo, hindi ka makipag.
Hindi, nung nakita ko yung red.
Ay, verbal.
Medyo wild.
Hindi ko rin trip yung... Nakita mo na bro yung ulan?
Oo. Yan yung those the new Red Octobers. Pero alam mo yun, parang yung foam runners mas bagay talaga siya in like earth tones talaga. Earth tones.
This part is the handrail wall. Ito yung mga pairs ni Soul Republic. Yan. Tapos, we have the viewer.
Hindi yours talaga.
Dito na nilalagay yung mga highlight items of the week. For this week, I think Funko Pop saka cards and cards. So, these are from different boxes, I believe. So, abangan yung rug ko dyan kung kasha siya dyan.
There's a little bit of Lamborghini in everything I do.
Shout out to Quicks, man. Sobrang ano. World renowned. I think you should feature din yung bagong model niya sa Complex Con. I believe I'm gonna shoot entirely inside of Unbox for sure. Babalik tayo doon to check out all the other stops. Pero for now, we're just gonna check out, hang out with Seth and Ken. And still waiting for Jella. But definitely, nakaka-excite, just being out here, man. Pretty dope poster. Shout out kay Job Corpus. Feel free to check him out on Instagram as well. Really dope shots. May sa mga Nike socks!
Can you believe that?
Ito pala yung bago nating ambassador ng 7-to-1 squad. Full gear.
Shout out Sir Carlo.
Shout out kay Sir Carlo. Ito, wait lang. So, isuot mo na rin to.
Yeah.
Diba? Ito yung sling bag po natin. Next campaign.
Ng Project 7-to-1.
You already know? Ayan na sila. We finally saw them! Bye! Frankie! Jella! Hey! What's up? Nice to finally meet you guys. Hi. Nakapasok nyo lang, lalabas ulit tayo. Hey! To the Yeezy wall right here. A whole lot of Yeezys, man. Feel free to check out Aftermarket in green.
Pwede pag date.
A lot of off-white stuff. Ay nako, mag-double up na si Pao. Off-white fire.
Sige Frankie, do it for the content, for the gram.
Do it for the gram, Frankie.
Yeah, not bad din naman.
Yung nuts.
Wala Chicago fanboy tayo.
You need a Chicago's, man.
Nice. First one na ano diba? Yung baby blue. Yan yung MCA.
Oh yeah, the MCAs.
Ano ba ng color rin ito? Hindi ako masyadong bigyan sa dunks eh.
Same.
Pero yun, kung wala kayo nung and SB Dunk, Varsity Blue Pink Ice. Pink pala yung outsole niya, may pinkish.
Oh, yeah. Parang yung guava eyes. Hindi kita sa camera, pero that's really parang pinkish hue.
Super alternative kung mas mahal yung mas mahal yung MCA.
It does look like a PE. It does look like a PE.
Yung perforation pa kanya sa tabi.
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh, ito yung akin.
Ito na yung hinahanap
Oh,
natin.
ito nga yung ito yung
Tone Joan Boys.
sa mga may gusto, weed.
The
Brown
Weed.
Boys, you know what it is.
Frankie Gone Wild. And a whole lot more choices.
Ayaw na pang bilhin. Hello there. Ang dami ko exposure sa mga vlog.
Siyempre, mag-exposure. Huge shout out to Step on Air right over there.
Dami ko exposure sa vlog na.
Oh, no.
Pure God.
Oh, yeah.
Sabi mo na may ganda mo?
Yeah, nasad ko na yan. Pero hindi ko dinala yung fear of God sa For me personally, the best fear of God talaga. Fear of God 1. I mean, Fear of God colorway. Hot take pero sobrang natural tones. Tapos medyo nakilala na doon si Gerald Lorenzo sa Ooh, Travis.
May nakita ko eh.
Matagal ko nang inaay ito pero sobrang mahal talaga. This one's still wild. The third Duncans. Neutral tone but still a wild colorway. And of course, probably the sneaker of the year last year, Chunky Donkeys. Ooh, tingnan mo ganda. I'm still looking for my size on these Bacon Air Max 90s. One of the best releases this year for sure. Now that we have a little bit of time, can we have your fit of the day, Miss Jella Beef?
Oh yeah, sure. This. So my fit is I'm wearing the It's So Good
T, there you go.
and I paired it with, of course, the featured shoe, which is
Hey,
Fragment High.
Travis Fragment Highs.
And just some nude sweats.
Nude sweats just to cap it off. Hey, how about si Pao?
Trucker cap, thrifted, ready to insert, and Ben Davis na tee.
Ben Davis tee.
Zara pants, and Jordan 5 off-white.
Hey, there we go.
Of course. What's your fit?
Tactical diapers.
Tactical diapers.
Arcteryx harness, and diapers.
Your Pampers.
Dior Pampers and everything. Yes. So for now, we're just getting a bite to eat. Except doing some live. What we eating tonight, man? What we
Sino lang
eating?
tayo, kahit gabi, kahit breakfast food siya, to sino tayo.
Breakfast all day. Breakfast all day. And of course, Pavangela and Frankie. There you go. Approval. First, ngayon lang nakakain yan, man. Ngayon lang nakakain. First bite approval. Hi fam, so kakatapos na natin kumain and I think it's just about time I reveal my latest cup. Siguro a few weeks back na rin. Huge shout out to Step on Air right over there for dealing me in. If you know the box, you already know. If you know the box, you already know. Kompleto na.
Yung mga hype men sa tabi.
For me, this is the sneaker of the year. The story is unmatched. The quality is there. And from way back then, during its first release, I have been waiting for this in my size And nakahanap na rin ako ng in my size na kahit pa paano twice used, no? Twice used. This is the Jordan 3 Amamanye. You see the box right there. I took away the cover. I got this at a size 13.5, which is a size 12 in men's. And as the box label would read, white and medium gray. Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro SP. And as we pop the box open, you get the tissue. Oh, actually, titignan ko rin to kasi the seller did say he bought this from eBay. So we can actually scan it later if it is actually legit. You get the tissue paper and you get the sneakers. Man, still a clean pair. Minimal creases, even though slightly used twice. I still can't believe I finally got this pair, man. You see the sail laces up top, the hairy suede right here in the toe, smooth white tumbled leather, the cream back tab right here, crazy details, and of course the violet ore hits. Pretty much accessible for like men and women to actually wear these, very gender neutral. And of course you get the Jumpman thread in gray right here in the middle. You have the other one with the A. Yep, there you go. The Amamanye logo right here on the left pair. And of course, the gray quilted liner, which is a really premium detail. Huge props to James Whitner, if I'm right. James Whitner, the creator of the store of Amamanye. Such a dope concept overall, being raced by women. Huge props once again. So that's it for me. This is Sneaker of the Year 2021. You'll see more details later coming up next. I'll put on a little bit of B-roll when I get home. But yeah, man, I still can't believe this is finally in my collection. Like the Jordan 3 I'm keeping in my collection. I might actually switch out the sail laces for the white laces to give it more of a cleaner look. But yeah, man, Jordan 3 Amamanye, my sneaker of the year. Galing live.
Galing.
Huh? Oo nga eh.
Beyond the Blaster.
Yeah. Parehas pa tayo.
O, diba, nag-flip-flop na sila, guys. Nung una, ano sila eh. Overrated daw eh.
Alright fam, we're just about to head out home. It's such a fun day, but expect a whole lot more videos coming up very soon. Again, I'm Rural Icarus. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And we have Beyond the Hype right here. My the Jordan 3.
Para kami nanonood ng mga na video. Like.